cornerstone in the effort to defeat the coronavirus pandemic. An FDA advisory panel approving the first vaccine in the U.S. A final decision on the Pfizer shot is now expected within days. Good evening to you. I'm David Wade.
And I'm Ana Rodriguez in for Lisa Hughes. The first batch of doses could arrive here in Massachusetts as soon as next week. Kristina Rex is live outside the WBZ studios in Boston tonight. And Kristina, the vaccine comes at a time when the virus is raging across the country.
Exactly, Ana. Just yesterday, the U.S. reported 3,100 COVID-19 deaths in a single day. That's the deadliest day so far in this pandemic. Now, this independent committee of doctors voted 17-4 to recommend this vaccine be approved for emergency use, with just one doctor from Tufts Medical Center in Boston abstaining from the vote.
So we do have a favorable vote.
The Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine is moving forward, one step closer to being distributed nationwide after an all-day FDA committee meeting and vote.
I'm Dr. Ofer Levy with the Precision Vaccines Program at Boston Children's Hospital.
3 local doctors were on the national panel, questioning Pfizer on the vaccine's effectiveness and the potential for allergic reactions.
I'm excited that the vaccine's coming. I think it gives us some hope for 2021.
The first doses are expected in Massachusetts on December 15th. The free vaccine will first be given to healthcare workers treating COVID patients and people living and working in nursing homes. Massachusetts is expecting 300,000 doses of Pfizer's vaccine by the end of the year, which could vaccinate 150,000 people.
700,000 people in our city alone. When we're full capacity, we get another 1 million people coming every day, so we're going to need more doses, but I think at least getting the beginning, starting it, and moving the process forward is important.
The final say is now in the FDA's hands, as towns like Marshfield prepare to distribute the cold storage vaccine. These freezers are on the way. Pharmacies are preparing walk-up sheds on site. 50 paramedics are trained to give the shot, and the Marshfield Fairgrounds will soon be a vaccine clinic.
Now we're starting to put some plans in place of how we would actually do the inoculation, making sure that we had people in place.
More than 100 volunteers participated in the Pfizer vaccine trial at UMass Memorial. That trial run by Dr. Robert Finberg, who's excited to see it move forward.
I think the vaccine will be very successful. I think it will help us combat this pandemic. I would point out that it's not going to be an overnight solution.
Dr. Finberg said mask wearing and social distancing will be necessary for several months going forward until we can see just how many Americans get vaccinated and how quickly it stops the spread. Live here in Boston, Kristina Rex, WBZ News.
Kristina.